So keep going with the cleaning. As much as you can. Then what I have to do now is connect the chains over the gears. Now, connecting the chains over the gears is not easy. It's not easy at all, because you have to go all through the loops and hoops to get into them. So that's the next thing that I'm going to try and do. Okay, now, having a bit of a problem with the chains, as I said in the preview little film that I made. See the chain, what they did, they pulled it all the way, and you can't move it anymore. All the chains are stuck. They're all stuck, you can't do it. So what I'm trying to do is to save time, see if I can fix it without taking out the mechanism. Otherwise, my last resort will be to take it out, fix it, and then put it back, which it will take a lot of time, and yeah, it's a little bit complicated. Caught. See, I'm holding it. It's caught. Now I'm going to do. I'll take a chance, take this off, and connect another chain so it will move. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, it looks the same. Okay. All right. Yeah, here's the risk. Where's my... All right. So I think what I'm going to do is take this off. This closer. I'm trying really hard. Okay, we get a little bit of movement. Now So, let's see how much the link is opening so I can take the hook off so I can get some movement in the chain. There, maybe a little bit more. Here we go. There's the hook there, and fingers crossed. I need the end of this. Another chain. So the chain will go in there. I don't want to lose it. Yes. Fingers crossed. There you are. Look at that. So, it's very good. So what I'm going to do is pull this one through. Let's have to watch. I have to watch how, otherwise it will drop off and we get out of the pulley or gears, whatever. And yeah, I'm very happy with that. Yes, I picked the longest chain out. So what I'm going to do now is connect the original chain. I'll get my assistant to help me. Okay, so this is the original chain. A little bit more. Don't want them to fall back. And I put it in something. Okay, it's got a little bit of tension on it. Yes. So that, and no, that one goes here. Make sure it doesn't come off. Oops. Just make sure it's all right. That should be alright. Okay, so put this chain down here. Don't want anything to happen with that. Yeah, alright, so I'll put this on so we don't have a runaway. That's in here. Just make sure that it's locked. That's it. Alright. That stays down here. And we keep going. Doing very slowly because I don't want the chain to jump. Has it come through yet? Yet. Where's the link? Here somewhere. Okay. I'll leave it at that. So what I do now is get one of those cable ties. I'm sure I have one, yeah? The cable ties. Oh, I'll put this. No, skinny one. So here's it, just what it is on the floor. So what I do normally is just put that, something like that in there so it doesn't jump off. There you are. One up and two to go. I'm trying now, what I'm doing is disconnect the old chain, the one that I connected to. That's off. And now we need to put a loop. Open that up. Take this off. That's that leader that I put in. Get one of these that goes on the other end of the chain so it doesn't go through. So that's it. So this chain is fixed. Now I've got another one here and another one that I have to, another chain that goes there, in here, and those two in that. So just put that on. Okay, so we'll put the hook back on this end. There's a hook that you hang the weights. There's and connected the ring. be able to pull it down so it doesn't run over and comes off. So next I have to fix this side. It's got almost the same problem as the other one. Doesn't want to move for some reason. And then the third one, which is this one here. The third one will go in these two holes. So I hope you enjoyed this part. It was a little bit hard, but we fixed it, which is very good.